Welcome to March 2021 Mathcast. The intended audience is for third grade students. Our learning objective today is to find the area of a rectangle through multiplication of the side lengths. This is created by me, Rebecca Lugo.